Mommy, my name is Agent Bull.
Agent Bull.
Mom, look at
Agent Mom.
I told you a big what? I told them. It's too hot for Charmander, but it's not going to be too hot for Char. But I don't know.
You know, we spend so much time planning, preparing, and trying to get everything just right. When the only way to truly know what is for you and what isn't is to go out there and experience it firsthand. Before this trip, I didn't have a clue what we'd actually need and end up using or which route we wanted to take with our setup. So we came out here with what we had in hand and just winged the rest of it. I believe that's how you figure out what works for you, your needs and your non-negotiables. I mean, in a general sense, right?
Ellie.
It's incredibly rejuvenating being out here, enjoying each other's presence without distractions or noise. It's just us and nature, an exchange of energy between the elements and us. That's what we came here for, to unplug from society and plug into nature. It's been absolutely extraordinary watching my boys' personality and behaviors emerge, showcasing their strengths and abilities. I love seeing their deep awareness of their surroundings, how they show up, kind of inserting themselves in what needs to be done in the situations, in the setup, you know, wherever they feel called to. We have our own little system that works for our family, and I love
Here's a
watching it
marshmallow.
all flow together.
I wanted some.
It's really cool to see all of our strengths and, you know, where we can help each other out in certain aspects and where one can pop in and where the other one can, you know, exceed where the other one may need help. And it's really awesome to see all of our unique just strengths and characteristics pop out here.
We don't need to cut it. Just stop it. Look it, I cut it. The fire knows that you're fire sensitive. It thinks you're immune. Jesus, it went up to my face.
Hi. The sky is pink behind you. This is literally my second time camping, and this is how it goes. So this trip was so serene. The view was beautiful. This view was unavailable earlier when I came today, and I left. We scouted for like 2 hours other campsites and couldn't find anything, so we went to eat. Called around. We pretty much just ended up coming back to the same spot, and it was empty, and I lucked out. So yeah, that was awesome.
Das ist eine Musik von dem Moment. Das ist eine Musik.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning. Time to make some breakfast with a view. A lot of paper towels, and we get some pine needles.
Yeah, I'll get pine needles. Get more needles. Let's get more pine cones. The pine cones burn. No, let's get more. I'm getting pine cones. Just let me. Pine cone for it. You want to go get some? Put them in the fire? Yeah. I'll go help you in a minute. Whenever you ask me something, Mommy,
Hey. Sun decided to make an appearance. I forgot chairs. Well, I didn't forget. I kind of didn't think about that. There was benches. This is like pre-dispersed camping spot, so there's no benches. But I got a solution. Chair. Hello. thing about this trip was the time we all spent together and the laughs that we shared, the stories we shared, the moments we had, and definitely the memories we made. You don't need much to go out there and have a great time with your family. As long as you're open to the experience, willing to learn, and willing to expand, you're gonna have the best time.
Go, 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 go! We're stuck. The tornado's getting closer. Come on. Give me a today. Okay, let me get one from my pocket. Country fried steak in nature. Yes, please. Hey, guy! Hey, Elliot! Hey, guy. Come on, we need to go to the treehouse.
Being out here has been such a peaceful time. It has changed my perspective entirely. I found that we often want to perfect every detail and be overly prepared, but the truth is, the only way to truly understand what you need is to go out there and do the damn thing. It's while you're in the middle of it that you discover what resonates with you, what's really for you, and what isn't. This trip really helped me get clear with myself. I discovered my true needs and what I finally need to let go of.
Hi. Hi.
Here's to new adventures.
Blue jay.